Who are confidential informants and how do they work? Imagine trying to catch a criminal without being seen. Confidential informants are the secret weapons law enforcement uses to get inside the criminal world. They are individuals who secretly share information about illegal activities. These people often have close ties to suspects or know about ongoing crimes that police can't easily access. Their identities stay hidden to keep them safe and to keep the investigation secret. Most of the time, confidential informants cooperate with police or federal agents in exchange for benefits. These benefits can include reduced charges, lighter sentences, money, or other favors. Many informants have their own criminal pasts or are facing legal trouble, which motivates them to help authorities. Because they have inside knowledge, they can provide real-time updates on criminal plans, identify suspects, and even help find hidden evidence. Sometimes, confidential informants are involved directly in undercover operations. They might make controlled purchases of illegal drugs or record conversations with suspects. These activities are carefully planned and monitored by law enforcement to gather proof of illegal acts. Before using an informant, authorities evaluate and approve them, making sure they are reliable and willing to cooperate. Their activities are closely watched and documented to prevent misuse. In some cases, informants are allowed to do limited illegal acts under supervision. These controlled actions, called controlled buys or controlled sales, help gather evidence without breaking the law. For example, an informant might buy illegal drugs from a suspect while law enforcement watches closely. This way, they get concrete proof of criminal activity. From a criminology and forensic science point of view, confidential informants are essential tools. They give access to criminal networks that are hard to infiltrate otherwise. But their trustworthiness can sometimes be questioned, especially if they are motivated by personal gain or fear of prosecution. Law enforcement and lawyers carefully examine their credibility during investigations and court cases. The identity of a confidential informant is usually kept secret throughout the legal process. This protects them from retaliation and encourages others to cooperate. Sometimes, the court may reveal the informant's identity if their involvement is critical to a case, but generally, their safety is a top priority. In short, confidential informants are private individuals who secretly help law enforcement by providing key information and sometimes participating in investigations. Their role is vital in solving complex crimes involving drugs, organized crime, and other serious offenses. But using them requires careful planning and strict rules to balance effectiveness with legal and ethical standards.